And how about the coolest car of the day, the 1970 Lincoln Continental Mark III? If you had one of those, you were the guy with the aviator glasses. A poster going down the hallway to my office. The guy with the aviator sunglasses, kind of half bald but half cool bald.
Yeah, cool bald.
Not
business bald.
Yeah, business bald. Exactly. That's business bald. That's cool. Whatever you want to call it. But these Lincoln Continental Mark IIIs at 460, 365 horsepower V8, C6 automatic. The Mark III outsold the Cadillac Eldorado, and Lee Iacocca had a lot to do with the turnaround. So, who also had the turnaround on the Mustang as well too. So, but boy, what a cool car!